Yeah. Oh yeah. All the good stuff there. Yep. 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 You know I like buckets. I like buckets.
All of this.
This stuff right here. Every bit of this. Oh my. Wow, that's a nice little pile.
Every bit of this.
That's good. That's beautiful. You're gonna be able to help me get that big ass thing on my trailer?
See, that's the problem, man. We ain't got a whole lot of time to move.
Okay, I get it. So maybe I need to just bring my other truck down and pull it up into my trailer.
There's a bunch of mowers. I'm telling you, you're gonna have some help, man.
Yeah.
If you want to do this.
Yeah.
Because we so damn busy, we ain't got a whole lot of time.
Okay.
And Luke's he's actually retired. He's getting in kind of bad shape.
Oh, okay.
His arm,
okay.
To have shoulder surgery.
All right, I get it. Okay,
he can't hardly do nothing.
All right, so I get it. So it's just me and somebody else. And like I say, I can bring another truck down here and just strap it and pull it on with the other truck if I have something that I can't pull.
All this.
Okay.
And then we got to move some trailers over here.
Okay. All right.
Mowers.
All these mowers got to go.
Yeah, and I think the golf cart, all the mowers.
Golf cart. I think so. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh.
What is that metal?
No.
It's not metal.
No.
Plastic shit.
Basically, we want to get rid of the small engine repair business stuff that's
Oh, really?
Yeah.
No kidding.
All the junk from the business.
Wow. Wow. Okay. Well, that's fine.
All right. So
I can do all that. Yeah. All that. All of this. Beautiful stuff right there. Yeah. It just gathers up, doesn't it?
Those two mowers.
Them two mowers there. Yep. It does accumulate. Take that. Gotta go, gotta go.
This.
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. Yep. Damn, buddy. That's a lot of goodness right there.
All mixed metals.
Yeah, that's a lot of goodness right here. All of it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
I see it.
It even gets worse.
Worse.
I have to ask Luke, there's a pickup bed. There's a pickup bed.
That pickup bed was here when I came last time.
Yep.
I remember that.
Probably them two beds. I'll have to ask Luke.
Yeah.
There's a S10 truck and a little car there.
S10 and the car?
Probably so.
Both of them.
I'll have to confirm with Luke, but I know for a fact anything related to a lawnmower or small engine repair business. See all these mowers?
All these?
Yeah.
Yeah. I need to get to work today.
And he wants rid of that too.
That's a big boy there.
But it's so wide it won't. It's
no.
been an axle welded under it just to roll it around. It's so wide it won't fit on nobody's trailer.
I know. Yeah, I would.
There's another truck over there probably. But anything yard equipment related for sure.
Wow. Okay. Well,
see the magnitude of it.
I
it's
do.
So big.
Yeah, you said it was a lot. It's a lot. It is a lot.
And it's all got to be hooked something to it and drag it out.
It does. It does. It needs to be.
And we just ain't got time to.
No, I'm sure you don't.
But I do know he wants the whole property, the entire property he wants clean.
No
but he'll have to point out anything that's not related to our business.
I tell you, I'm probably going to start with that one that's right closest to your daggum building, so we can just get rid of everything that I can get into my trailer.
Okay.
And then I'll move around today. It would just kind of figure out what's going on. I'll probably come back and get this pile here too. So I'll get that one and that one. Work on that today.
Is this going to cost us anything?
No, nope. Nope. You're giving it to me, right? It costs you nothing. I'm going to charge you a damn thing.
Yeah. I mean, if you wanted to throw a few dollars.
I would. I can do that too.
You know, it
I know what you're saying. I know. No, for that I wouldn't.
If you can make it disappear, that's going to be the main thing.
I'll be here every day until it's gone. That's what I'll do.
And then once you get the small engine repair stuff, Luke will he'll start pointing out other things.
Yes, yeah.
Because I noticed several vehicles.
Uh-huh.
You know, some of his personal stuff.
Yes, yes. I'm gonna start in that pile right there.
And there's a little lawnmower right there.
Okay, yeah. Seems like the most logical place to start is right here.
Well, this corner is the biggest eyesore.
It is. It is. I clean that right up. And I know you guys got weed eaters to cut these weeds.
Oh yeah, once the metal's gone, we'll clean it up.
Because you guys get all the equipment for that.
But there's a lot of mixed metals. You know,
I see that.
If you categorize, say
I agree.
The engines.
Yep. Yep.
And then all those weed eaters, that's all mixed.
Yep.
You know.
I get it.
And then then the steel.
Yes. Yes.
But I don't know how they do it at the yard.
I've been doing it for 5 years, so
you figure it out.
I can figure it out. I'm going to start with this pile though. I'm try to get a good part of this pile out of here. See,
This shit heavy.
this is goodness right here. Yeah, it is. That's some goodness.
But
I'm gonna get the stuff that I can pick up.
I'm pretty much by myself around here now.
Yeah. Oh wow, really? No kidding.
Luke's
He's done
he's
with it.
retired. He's 68, on Social Security.
68. Wow.
He's getting Social Security, and his shoulders are so messed up.
I didn't even know it was that old.
Yeah.
68. How old are you?
60.
God dang. I remember when we was in our 30s.
I know. Yeah.
Our 30s.
Yeah. I know, man. It's crazy.
All right, buddy. Thank you. I'm gonna just start picking up stuff.
Over here is customers.
I'll get it. Yeah, I get that. I get everything. I mean, it's gonna take me a few days to get figured out. But I can be here every day, getting it, a little bit at a time. I'll bring my other truck. Like I said, I'll bring my other truck and a couple straps, and I'll pull shit right into that trailer, no problem.
All right. Yeah, we got to move some trailers.
We'll get to that.
Yeah.
We won't be able to get to that first. That's all. We're just gonna get the stuff we can get.
That one's here for repairs, and the rest of it's all Luke's. We got to fix that one for somebody.
Yep.
So it'll be moved pretty soon.
I got one of them. I have one just like that too. Might bring it down here too to pull some stuff into. I'll get it done though. I'm just gonna work on it daily, because this is what I do.
Yeah.
And I'll just start doing this daily until something else comes up. I'll put some other stuff off. I'm gonna be here.
Well,
Thank you.
A lot of
It is. Yep. Yeah. This front end going?
As far as I know.
Okay, bumper, front end, that. Okay, we're gonna start with a shred. We're gonna make a shred run is what we're gonna do. Steel run, in other words.
Right.
And I got to get some, of course, now that I got to figure it out a little bit and get some tools together that I need to help me take this apart or take that apart, you know, whatever I have to do. I mean, I'd pay for that stuff over there if you want to get it in.
Yeah, that's a question I have to ask.
I would pay him.
I think he wants the whole damn property cleaned.
Yeah, I can pay him for that stuff.
I mean, there's starters and alternators. There's batteries.
Yeah.
There's radiators.
Now I can split some money.
For the whole month to get this all cleaned up.
You could. you really could. Yeah, I pay for that stuff. I find out what I get, and I actually give 50% of what I'm gonna get.
Right.
I have a couple of golf cart places that I go, and whatever the price is that I get, I give them half.
Right.
You know, and I pick it up and I deal with it, and they don't have to. But we can work something out.
There's a lot to get started.
I'm gonna